Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the most important updates in Figma's new UI. These changes will make your design process faster and more efficient, so let's jump right in. First up, let's check out the new toolbar. Figma has simplified the layout, giving you easier access to the tools you use the most, like the frame tool and shape tools. Everything is more compact, which frees up more space for your design canvas. This redesign helps you stay focused on your project with fewer distractions. Next, let's talk about the Properties panel on the right. It's been completely redesigned to be more intuitive. Now you'll see collapsible sections for colors, typography, and layout, making it quicker to find exactly what you need. This layout is super useful when you're working on larger projects and want to minimize the clutter. Now let's look at auto layout, one of Figma's most powerful features. The updated controls are more visible, and you can adjust padding and spacing much faster. Plus, Figma's improved resizing options make it easier to create responsive designs. Auto layout just got even better for handling dynamic content with these new options. 4. Improved prototyping. Lastly, let's look at the new prototyping panel. You can now link frames and add interactions with a more streamlined interface. Transitions and animations are easier to set up, giving you faster control over your prototypes. And that's a quick look at the most important updates in Figma's new UI. These changes will save you time and make your designs even more responsive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips. See you next time.